Hello friends. Today we are repairing a Sharp 800W microwave oven with very strange behavior. Let's see how she behaves. It does not heat and does not work, but when you open the door, the stand starts to rotate. Such a strange behavior when opening the door. In normal condition, it should not rotate. The display does not react to pressing the buttons. Let's disassemble and see what's wrong there. Look friends, I removed the front panel from the microwave and it's strange that part of the insulation was removed from the transformer, and two small capacitors were damaged at the top. I measured the characteristics on the transistor tester and it shows normal data, but just in case, I will replace them. And so friends, after replacing two capacitors, see what happened. Our microwave is partially working, but look behind the microwave, there are two wires, green and red. They seem to work poorly. Look. Now I'm not going to move them much and our display starts to turn off. Look at the oven, it works, it doesn't. Most likely there is a micro crack on the contacts, you need to fix it. I took it apart again and here are our contacts. Pay attention to the contacts. Rings of micro cracks formed around them. Let's look at them under a microscope. Let's look through the microscope. We see here a ring of micro cracks around the contact. Let me try to enlarge. Now we need to solder these contacts so that we have a good contact. It seems we still have a problem in the wire itself. When you pull it, the microwave works. Look at this. It seems that the plug is also not working. Restoring the plug did not help. I soldered about 10 more contacts that were suspicious, but this also did not help. As a result, I found a problem. Look at the transformer. When you put pressure on it, it starts to work. So the problem is with him. Look what I managed to find. After I started soldering the contacts of the transformer, one contact fell off. The place of poor contact has been found. Now you need to make a jumper at this place and make contact. And sir, friends, as you can see, the microwave oven has earned. Let me put a lid on top and see if the microwave is heating. The water got hot. All my friends. I managed to fix the microwave. I hope the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, put your thumbs up and see you soon.